I really need your help with a shampoo recommendation. I literally just washed my hair and it's already greasy from my
Thankfully, the solution is very, very simple. You need a residue-free shampoo, and the one that I professionally recommend is this one right here, Colour Security Shampoo. The reason being is this shampoo leaves no ingredients behind that get left on your hair or on your scalp. Ingredients that are being left behind on your hair can discolour your hair, cause colour fade, make it dry, brittle, and ingredients being left on your scalp can actually impede hair growth. Scalp health is vital for new hair growth, so if you've got a build-up of ingredients left on your scalp, the new hair cannot pierce through that build-up of ingredients. This is why it's crucial for you to use a residue-free formula. Your shampoo has one job and one job only. It is to clean your hair and your scalp. It's then down to your styling products to smooth the hair, volumize the hair, get rid of frizz, not your shampoo. You only want your shampoo to clean. Shampoo protects your colour, is actually doctor recommended by a top hair loss specialist in New York. This is why, as a professional hairstylist, I choose to recommend the Colour Security Shampoo. I've used it on all of my clients and myself for the past 6 years.